Dear students, research scholar and faculties of different colleges and universities. In this video, we will discuss how to check quickly your statistical result by calculator. Before starting the video, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding. Thanks to all for subscribing our channel and watching the other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. Dear students, in this video we will discuss how to check quickly your statistical result by calculator. Content: check your calculation by calculator. We can check easily mean, standard deviation and coefficient of variation or CV. Suppose Ramesh and Brian had played 10 match and calculate the CV to show who is more stable in respect of run. We had calculated in our earlier videos. Now we will check our calculation by calculator. You may have FX82 MS calculator or CL82 MS calculator or FX100 MS calculator or FX991 MS calculator. I am using this calculator also, and FX991 ES plus calculator. However, you may use any one of these. Now, how to calculate or check the mean and standard deviation through the calculator we will discuss. Watch the video directly. At first, we have to reset our calculator by clicking Shift Mode 3, then is equal to our calculator is ready for checking the calculation result output. Now click on mode 1, then SD will appear on the screen, then click on the data by followed by M plus. Now 10 M plus, 62 M plus, 48 M plus. Number of data will show n is equal to 3. Now 122 M plus, 0 M plus, 32 M plus, 78 M plus, 24 M plus, 97 M plus and 5 M plus. Okay, in this way we can enter huge amount of data. Now click on AC, then
click on shift 1. How many data we have inputted, then click 3. Click on 3, n is equal to 10. We have inputted 10 data. Now shift 2. 1 for min, click on 1 is equal to 47.8. Now shift 2. Here click on 2 again for SD 39.24, and in this way we can calculate too many statistical operation, and we can easily check this way. And after checking this data, we need to reset our calculator, then shift mode 3, reset all, then is equal to, then put again is equal to. In this way we can calculate and check the statistical output.
Using procedure of calculator, first we need to reset your calculator by clicking shift mode 3 is equal to, you will see the display reset all, and then click equal to, then click on shift, then click on mode 1 for SD, and then input the data followed by m plus, and then after completing all input you will be able to see the result. N is equal to total number of inputted data. You can easily check your summation of x bar, that is mean, and standard deviation. In this way we can easily calculate the Ramesh CV and Brian CV. Just checking the procedure, we can use the calculator in exam hall also. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Waiting for your comments. Thank you.